Hello everyone, it's a bottle. I have to tell you, I have spent a lot of time playing with clay. So stay with me and I'll show you exactly what this is and how I made it. I have to explain how I made it because I already made it, but I'd like to make another one. Anyway, stay with me, I'll be right back. Hello everyone, this is Billy. Welcome to Billy Home Creations. Now, I did not do any recording on this piece. I was just trying my hand at clay because I maybe could do a duck years ago, just a little duck out of polymer clay or Play-Doh or something like that. But I took a chance, and I have to show you. Look at this bottle. Look at this bottle. Oh my gosh, I am just so beside myself over this. Now I used a air dry clay. I'll show you that. I used several molds that I happen to have for my resin. For instance, the spider. I have that mold. The lizard. The rose. There's a lot of skeletons. There's a skeleton and a little cat. I had the mold too. Oh, what else is on there? Some leaves. There's another skeleton. I used rocks. And what else is new? Let's see. But anyway, I have the snake wrapped all the way around this bottle. There's his tongue. There's the head of the snake. I didn't put any eyes on it. And what I did is after I was finished, I placed everything where I wanted it, cleaned it up. I made this face out of a doll's head. Out of an old doll's head, I just cut it up, made it fit, stuck some aluminum foil behind it and tape, put in some baked glass eyes. I just went ahead and painted them black. And then when it was all done, I painted the snake. And I used Let's Resin chameleon powders, and this is a beautiful green. And then I painted everything black and covered it with Let's Resin blue chameleon powders. And what I really need to do now is just get some spray polyurethane, I think, to protect it all. And I used some gauze, which is, Band-Aid gauze, and I mixed that with glue and put that covering the face to make it look like a mummy. I don't know what this was, but I just painted it like blood. It's a little out of the eyes, but oh, here's a feather too, a feather mold. Anything I could come up with, I stuck on there. And like I said, it took me quite a long time playing with this. The hardest part was painting it black and getting in all the nooks and crannies, but possibly you could use spray paint. Anyway, I thought I would share this with you, so let me show you what I've used. For instance, I did get this mold. I just used the skeleton face. This is from Temu, and I just made a little Temu haul. Oh, I don't know if you'd be interested in me making a video about that, but I just might. I got a few nice things. And then I had this mold, which is a candy mold, and I believe you can find these at Michael's. These are just all skulls, and they made little skulls like this out of the clay. Okay, and just pressing this in the molds, letting it sit a while before you pull them out. Clean them up. I have this little skeleton mold from Temu. I had made this out of resin prior, but I didn't use it, this skull, but it's pretty cool. I thought about putting it on the lid, but I don't think I'm going to put a lid on it. And then, oh, my favorite snake mold of all time. Now, this is from Let's Resin. I don't know if they carry this mold anymore, but I did get this quite a long time ago. All right. And then the clay I used was something I found. Now, a lot of people say to use that DATS air dry clay, or DAZ, I believe it is, DAZ. And I don't have that. So when I was in Walmart, I picked up this Crayola air dry clay. And it's really soft and it's really nice to work with. And it clears, it dries a solid white. I think this was $10 for 5 pounds of this non-toxic air dry clay. I really like it. So I'm going to take some stills outside. I did find some black roses, just for an example, to put on there. I'm going to go outside with it and see if you can see the color changes. But I'm sorry this is sideways. I'll try to turn the video right side up, but it'll be a skinny picture. But anyway, see how those colors go from blue to purple? There's a little bit of gold in the green, but I don't see that a lot. But I can really see the colors in the blue. So I guess my question is, and I just did this trial and error. Like I said, I think I have figured out how I can do steps with this, step by steps, because I actually did a few things backwards that I should have done in a different order. But I'm thinking about doing something like this as a video for Tracy at Mini Scenes, her Halloween collaboration. So if you think I should try this again and do a video, please let me know in the comments below. Until then, I hope you like it. Take good care. I'm sending hugs. I'll see you soon. Bye. Happy Halloween.